how to get more walk-in traffic in your business. Walk-in traffic is the holy grail of every business. Many think it's free and happiness by coincidence, but a quick look at high street brands that have great walk-in traffic reveals that the following market tactics create walk-in traffic. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Online presence, in spite of the fact that walk-in traffic by assumption is physical, your online presence matters more than ever. Everyone, including your 80-year-old grand, looks for products or services online before turning up at your shop. Your website and how easily it is found for your best keywords and product searches is key. Click and collect. A click and collect service is also a great way of getting people to turn up at your shop. This is a convenient service which can be offered through your website and social media. It provides a great way for clients to meet you and experience your service. Getting them to pick up from your showroom or retail outlet will make sure they take a look around and better understand the full range of services and products you offer. What's more, a client that has already purchased from you is 70% more likely to buy than a stranger, so it's a great way to make sure that those that buy also make the trip to your shop, which you turn into an opportunity to know you better. Walk-in traffic with related classes. Whether you sell makeup, beauty products, or spa services, there are classes out there where your audience wants. By organizing training that your audience is interested in and connected to what you sell, you will get in free walk-in traffic and also make some sales. For example, if you're a makeup artist that also sells makeup, you can organize makeup courses. This will provide you with walk-in audience of people who like makeup. Now that you're teaching them more skills, they're going to need to buy more makeup and colors and tools. You also make a tidy income from giving the classes yourself or renting your premises for others to give classes. Drive traffic with local SEO. Local SEO is probably the top driver of walk-in traffic. Getting found in Google for local searches brings people to your shop within hours or days. A lot of customers will today find you on mobile search while they're out. If you're well optimized to appear as a top result in local search for your products or services, it will become a no-brainer for the buyer. They're going to pop in or call you and pick up the item they were looking for. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how local SEO helps you to get to the first page of Google. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.